Hi, my name's Rodney and I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel, but I wanted it to have a purpose other than just my movies. So in front of all my movies I put this website up, which is a charity that I donate money to, and pretty much all I've got to use is my life. So this channel is pretty much all about me living my life, and I'm hoping one day it will mean something more than what it is now, and the money will go to the kids. It helps kids that live in poverty. It gives them raincoats, shoes, school books, health care, things like that, and food. I also teach Chinese Kung Fu. Well, I teach 9 different styles of Kung Fu, and all that money gets donated to Kids Can as well. I've been doing that for about maybe 4 years now. That's pretty much it. So I guess I hope you like the movies and stuff, and I've sort of done all the hard work making the movies and spending the time making them, so now I just hope that it can make some money for the kids. So if you could share, like them, subscribe, that'll be really awesome. Yeah, I think that's about it. So hope you like the movies. Peace.
Oh, fuck. It's gonna hit tomorrow. Jesus.
And that's not even angry in full power.
But it's some fucking good show, man.
Thank you for